every single patient in this small experiment. The experimental drug trial saw their cancer disappear. It appears to be the very promising breakthrough for a treatment of rectal cancer. A small drug trial conducted in the US found every patient treated in the experiment had their cancer successfully go into remission. I guess it's just a matter of time before this, hopefully will be the case for other cancers as well. What happens is that they have this certain drug that spots the cancer cells, and then those cells are done away with. The medication given is called dostarlimab, dostarlimab, dostarlimab. It's sold under the brand name Jemperli, and it's an immunotherapy drug used in the treatment of endometrial cancer. But this was the first clinical investigation of whether it was also effective against rectal cancer tumors. According to, I've got I'll leave two links below for you. The report on the study in New England Journal of Medicine said a total of 12 patients completed treatment with dostarlimab and have undergone at least 6 months of follow-up. All 12, it said, have no evidence of tumor in a wide variety of tests. Standard treatment for rectal cancer involves either surgery or chemotherapy. At the time of this report, no patients had received chemoradiotherapy or undergone surgery, and no cases of progression or recurrence had been reported during follow-up, range 6 to 25 months. The report in the journal said, noting that longer follow-up is needed to learn more about the results. Dr. Louis A. Diaz Jr. of Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center, an author of the study, said he knew of no other study with similar outcomes. He said, "I believe this is the first time this has happened in the history of cancer," Diaz said. Dr. Alan P. Venuk, a colorectal cancer specialist at the University of California, San Francisco, who had no connection with the study, agreed. He said, "Full remission in all patients tested is unheard of. There were a lot of happy tears," said Dr. Andrea Kersik, an oncologist at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center and co-author of the paper. Venuk said that the lack of complications from the drug was a surprise, saying either they did not treat enough patients or somehow these cancers are just plain different. The drug dostarlimab is part of the group called checkpoint inhibitors. The drug essentially unmasks cancer cells so the body's immune system can then destroy them. The drug was taken every 3 weeks for 6 months. Dr. Hannah K. Sanoff of the University of North Carolina's Lindbergh Comprehensive Cancer Center called the study small but compelling in an editorial published by the journal. Very little is known about the duration of time needed to find out whether a clinical complete response to dostarlimab equates to cure, she wrote. Dr. Kimi Ning, the colorectal cancer expert at Harvard Medical School, said the trick now is to have what Ning called remarkable and unprecedented results to be replicated, the Times reports. Initially, a small biotechnology firm, Tesaro, sponsored the study. The company was purchased by GlaxoSmithKline. This originally appeared on Western Journal. It's on WND, and I'll leave a link below for you for this. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.